Welcome to the new online Bergen County Parks permit portal. This video will review how to register a new account and submit a picnic permit application. To register a new account, click on Register, located in the top right corner of the page. For this step, you will need a valid email address. Next, fill out the form with all the necessary information. And don't forget to read the privacy policy and terms and conditions. Click the agreement box and complete the security checkpoint. Click Submit. An email will be sent confirming registration. Once the account is set up, the dashboard or left navigation panel can be used to select permit type. In this case, select Picnic Permit. A list of all the available picnic areas will be displayed. Choose the desired location. Fill out the application form with all the necessary information. Please note that permits are available as full-day reservations only. If the desired date is not displayed within the calendar, that means the date is not available for reservation. Click here for more information about the park areas. Refer to the 2022 fee schedule table for relevant pricing information. Complete the rest of the form and click Submit. Payment can be accepted by credit card or e-check. Please note that payment by credit card includes a higher service fee. Once payment is submitted, the permit will be sent to the email address previously provided. Please have the permit on hand on the day of the reservation.